So, ito, titry natin tong cream line cream cup. So, ito is 25. Choco mud pie. So, choco mud pie. Have you ever tried this? This one. So, ayan itsura niya. May mga cookies and cream siya sa taas. Tapos, sobrang, ano siya. Tapos, choco. Parang cookies and cream na day style. Pero, ang pangalan niya is choco mud pie. Parang putik. Yummy. I like it. Ang rich nung lasa niya. Nagko-complement yung parang choco syrup. Yun na. Pero niya. Nakaka-refreshing. Yummy. You like it? We have another one. I don't know if... Oh, same flavor. Choco mud pie. You try this? Like it? Like and follow for more.